Hi, I'm Eric with LUX Landscape Lighting. Today we're going to talk about maintenance and why it's important. A lot of people really don't even know that you're supposed to maintenance it. You know, once they put it in, you forget about it. And we understand that. That's why we're here. Maintenance a system is the same thing as like getting a car's oil change. It's super important to go around because if you don't do it to your car, eventually you're just going to blow it up. Here, you're not going to blow up the system, but the system will not work to its potential. So it's important, especially when landscapers come in spring and fall for maintenance. A lot of people just go in there and they just kick the fixtures. It's by accident, it's not on purpose, but things happen. Birds, are birds, and so lenses need to be cleaned and things just need to be readjusted. So it's important to have your investment look great all night long and all year long. Call LUX Landscape Lighting to have your system maintenance and we'll be glad to come out and do it for you.